Hi everyone, we are doing a dish today. It could be something to keep jewelry or keepsakes, a gift. I decided on making a heart-shaped dish. You can choose your shape that you want and watch the process as we go through it. You'll need clay. You need a little cup of water. Since we are working from home and in class, we're just going to use a pencil as our tool today. So let's get started. So you have your piece of clay. The first thing you're going to do is prepare the clay and beat out all the air bubbles. So you don't have to heat it hard. Make a fist and just gently beat down the clay like this. You are also at the same time flattening the clay. Right, so we beat out the air bubbles and we made a slab at the same time. So a flat piece of clay is called a slab. You're going to take your pencil and you can draw a shape, the shape that you want to make your little dish. It's going to hold something special. I am making a heart. So don't press hard, because if you want to fix something, for example, I notice the side is wider and the side is a little narrower. So I want to fix it, and all I do is just rub my thumb over it. If you go all the way through, you can still fix it, but it will be a little harder. So I want to bring this out a little bit more. You can also make a template on a piece of paper, cut it out, and then just trace it onto the clay. Once you are happy with what you got, you can go through the clay completely. We are using pencils because some of our students are working from home and they don't have all the tools. So I'm using the simplest tools available to everybody. So there we go. And as soon as you have a chance, when you're done, please write your name on the back and flip it over like this. Next, you take a piece of clay and roll it into a coil. You can roll it in your hand like this, or you can roll it on the table. Okay, so a nice long piece like this, and bring back your heart. Dip your finger in some water and rub it on along the edge like this. And then you place this. All right, so that is the first layer, and you can add in more layers. You make little balls for feet and rub some water, some slip onto the clay to make a glue. Twist it a little bit to make sure that it sticks, and you can test it to see if it stands well. If you're happy, then you're done. You make little balls for feet and rub some water, some slip onto the clay to make a glue. Twist it a little bit to make sure that it sticks, and you can test it to see if it stands well. If you're happy, then you're done.